Ever wondered how to reach a wider audience with your ads? The answer may lie in Microsoft Bing Ads, a potent tool in the world of online advertising. This platform lets your ads grace the Bing search engine and its partner networks, reaching millions of potential customers. It's a game changer for your digital marketing strategy, offering benefits like a larger audience, less competition, advanced targeting, and total budget control. Intrigued? Good. Now how about we delve into the practical steps to start with Microsoft Bing Ads? Ready to dive in? It all begins by signing up for a Microsoft advertising account. If you don't have one already, signing up is a breeze and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, it's time to roll up your sleeves and create your first advertising campaign. Start by defining your campaign objectives. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or perhaps you're aiming for a boost in sales? Whatever your goals, Bing Ads can help you achieve them. Next, we move on to keyword research. This is a crucial step as it helps you understand what your target audience is searching for. Microsoft's Keyword Planner tool is a handy companion here, giving you valuable insights into popular keywords. Now that you've got your keywords sorted, it's time to organize your campaign into ad groups. These groups should target specific keywords and, of course, include compelling ads that resonate with your audience. Next, set your budget and decide on a bidding strategy. Bing Ads offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose between manual and automatic bidding. So go with what feels right for you. Great job, your campaign is now live. But remember, the work doesn't stop here. It's essential to continually monitor your campaign's performance. Keep an eye on metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on investment. Don't hesitate to adjust and tweak your campaign as needed. And that's it. You've just taken a major step into the world of Bing Ads. Keep refining, keep learning, and most importantly, keep advertising. Now that your campaign is up and running, it's time to keep a close eye on its performance. Monitoring isn't a one-off task. It's an ongoing process that enables you to understand your ad's effectiveness. The key to successful monitoring lies in understanding your metrics. Click-through rate, or CTR, measures the percentage of clicks your ad receives out of total impressions. A high CTR usually indicates that your ad is relevant to your audience. Next, we have the conversion rate, which is the percentage of clicks that lead to a desired action like a sale or a sign-up. The higher the conversion rate, the more effective your ad is at persuading users to take action. Lastly, return on investment, or ROI, measures the financial return you're getting from your ad spend. It's crucial to calculate this to ensure your ad campaign is profitable. By continuously monitoring and adjusting your campaign based on these metrics, you can optimize your ads for better results. And just like that, you've mastered the basics of Microsoft Bing Ads. Remember, successful advertising requires constant learning and optimization.